I want to discuss the marketing that you need for your Etsy dropshipping store, right? Marketing is the biggest part of an e-commerce brand. It's the biggest part of dropshipping, having people come to your products. Without people finding your products, you don't sell, you don't make money, right? It's obvious. And to do that, it's marketing. And the one thing that new people to Etsy dropshipping can't believe, or they can't understand, because maybe they've done Shopify dropshipping in the past, is marketing is done for you, right? Look here, Pinterest, right? There's loads of people, doing marketing for all kinds of product on Pinterest, right? But you don't need to do that. You don't need to worry about this outside marketing efforts. All you need to worry about is selling the right products, and Etsy does that job for you. Hundreds of millions of people on the platform are able to instantly find your products when you press publish, right? And obviously, you're not going to have hundreds of millions of people coming to them, but you can get a piece of the pie. Right, the better researched your products at the right time with a well-optimized listing, the more people you have going to you. That's why organic is absolute king, because you don't need to worry about stuff like this. You don't need to leave the platform. You don't need to run any kind of paid ads on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok, or do any kind of organic marketing efforts elsewhere. It's all done for you. It's all in-house, right? Organic is absolutely king on Etsy. And now let's discuss the two other options with Etsy, right? There's offsite ads. You can do extremely well with offsite ads. And you're probably thinking, oh, how do I get in on that? By default, you're already in on it. Etsy has now put your products in their ads library, allowing you to get pushed out, right, to the right people if you've earned it, right? You've got to have a bit of reputation with your listing. Your listing has to be up for so long, and it has to have traction. But once you have those things, it's going to be getting seen. And obviously, the less competition in your product, the easier it is to be seen in those offsite ads. So offsite ads is basically those ads you see, Google shopping ads. Or like here on Pinterest, you'll see some sponsored posts in here with the photos, and your photo shown will be your thumbnail. It's offsite. It's everywhere else that it can be shown other than Etsy, right? And it's all done for you. When you make a sale through offsite ads, you pay a little bit more of a fee. You can use the Allura sales calculator to kind of get a good guesstimate of what that fee will be. But Etsy is very good at, not giving you all the information you need or telling you ahead of time, and being a little bit tricky. But that's why we love them, right? So that's offsite ads. That's organic. That's offsite ads, and you have paid ads built into Etsy, right? You can go right. I want to be at the top search result. Just there you go, Etsy. Run wild. You don't have to sync up, daily bills, and then you don't have to go right. I was spending $50 on ads today. I need to get the sales in, and then it bills your card. It doesn't do that. It comes out of your Etsy balance. It's all in-house. It's all nice and easy. And with Etsy ads, you can rank right at the top. You can get an early push. You can, do lots of things with paid ads. However, we don't really like using paid ads, especially on new stores. Especially on those stores where you're still testing, trying to get proof of concept, and you don't know how it's going to be received. Because there's no point. You're just better off throwing your money down the drain because you haven't got POC, right? And when you have POC, that's when you can put money in ads. If you have a good ad strategy like the one we show you in Etsy Mafia, right? That's what it's there for. But as an absolute beginner to the platform, the one thing you need to worry about is organic, nothing else. Getting the right products with the right keywords to the right people at the right time. That's all you focus on, right? And if you do that right, you don't have to worry about anything else. And if you're doing that right, then you can go sod it, $20 a day on ads, right? On Etsy paid ads. and you can see how it does, and you can monitor it closely, and you're making money from organic sales, so it's covering the costs of those ads, and you're getting more sales in, and you can see your ROAS, you can see your ad spend to revenue, and you can work out your profits, and you can go, right, this is working for me. I'm following a good ad strategy here. I can scale this up. Let's increase the budget. Let's test. Okay, organic, more listings are going out. It's getting pushed more. Oh, I'm a star seller. My conversion rate's going up. There's loads of reviews pouring in. I'm building really nice traction. I'm snowballing. This is doing really well. Ads are just the icing on the cake. And, we've seen some crazy results with ads, but it's not necessary. A lot of people love to overwork. A lot of people love to create as much friction as possible, and that is what this marketing efforts do, right? They feel the need to have to set up a Pinterest account and then set up all these posts and keep posting and monitoring impressions, and then do some TikTok posts and then try and get a Facebook group going. So much friction, so much nonsense that you don't have to worry about, because the results you're going to get from organic far outweigh any results that you would make doing it that way, right? Unless you have a huge page and you're an absolute Pinterest goat, there's absolutely no point. And it's why Etsy stays on top, because of this organic reach that you can have so easy. It's really nice. It's really nice to just know, okay, you can create your store, you can put the right products on, they're going to be seen, and if they're going to be seen, people are interested, and if people are interested, people want to buy, and then you make money. And all of that data, a lot of that data is trackable. You can understand how it works. Okay, it's a little bit slow, you have to dive through some trenches, but it's all there for you. And not having to worry about outside marketing efforts is just a great way to know that you can scale super easy. That every new store you make doesn't then have to have a Pinterest, a Facebook, an Instagram, a TikTok, right? It just has another Etsy store, another Etsy store, another Etsy store, another Etsy store. That's all it is. Right? There's not another 100 other accounts to line up the wall with. And this is why you need to be doing Etsy dropshipping, guys. And again, join Etsy Mafia. We have the best free course in all of Etsy dropshipping, and I'm sure you're going to learn a lot from that. But yeah, also I think this was my 30th day or my month straight in a row of daily videos, so I hope you guys are enjoying them, and let me know in the comments any of the video ideas you'd like to see. I appreciate your time.